Right, starting again, another video. We've missed a few videos this week. I'm here with Reese at Croxley Green Skate Park. We're doing some stuff for the airbag this week. We're just going to film a few clips. Both me and Reese are just going to ride because we've just been having a game of bike, and then we'll get going. So right, let's get straight to the clips. Reese is going to start it with a hot whip.
Oh my god!
Hot whip. Oh, oh my god! Oh! 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 I thought that was it! Come on, Reese, this is the one, I believe it right now. Sure. So we're going to ignore that hot whip session and we're going to go straight into clips that we're actually going to land. So first off, Reese is going 540 this quarter. From there and you land on this bike. I would have got anal probes. We'll do an update on the E350. This is looking alright. Golf bar, fully gets on air. Thumbs up if you like the yellow tint film, and thumbs down if you don't like the yellow tint film. Right, so you've watched the riding, now you're kind of joining me on the way to go and get, hopefully this time, my back finished off completely, done. I've got 6 hours booked in now. I'm going to do straight 6 hours on my back and just finish it off because we're going on a little trip in a few weeks and I want to have it all done and finished by then. And then we're going to move on to, we're going to be upgrading just the brake pads though on a Golf GTI Mark 5. So we'll spin to that after I've had these 6 hours of painful tattooing. 7 hours of tattooing and now it's time to change some pads. We're going to upgrade the pads on a GTI. I'll show you the end result when I get back, but now I'm just waiting for Liam. So yeah, we're upgrading his standard pads to the EBC yellow stuff, which is obviously like the fast street slash track. Here we go. So should we do a quick thumbnail? Let's do a quick thumbnail. Right, let's get to it. Okay, so it's getting quite dark, but EBC yellow stuff is on at the minute. I'm just got to bolt it all up. We'll see how they sort of perform. So this is the EBC. This is, if you don't know anything really much about cars, this is what a pad's meant to look like with that bit of thickness. And these are carriers. So absolutely no thickness at all to it. And that's why they're meant to look like. Hopefully you can see that, but yeah, the old man's driving around with no brake pads. Basically, you might as well, it's basically the equivalent of putting your foot outside the door and trying to stop with your feet.
A few moments later.
Right, finished the Golf, back at the house now, we're going to eat. I will show you the house when it is fully finished, we're having the door fitted and the floor fitted upstairs, but we are moved in, but I'm not going to show you the house fully yet because it's literally everything is everywhere. Look, quick browse. But yeah, everything is everywhere. But yeah, so brakes were fitted. It got too dark to actually show you when they were fitted, but those EBC yellow pads, I would recommend them. They are really good pads. Make sure you click subscribe because I will be showing you the full house renovation after this. Oh, and also I might as well show you my tattoo whilst we're here because that's what I've been doing. Right.
Let me do it.
As well, get it all. Take the cling film off. So.
Oh my god. Oh, that looks so good.
All that side. I don't know what you call it, some kind of like geometric, but I think it's called something else. But yeah, all that. done, nice. And then on my back as well, it's looking even now. So we've got a few more things left to do. I'm going to black out sort of the back so it's the same. We're going to take this so it goes up here, fill some gaps in, then get onto my legs. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you click subscribe, because the next video, obviously I'll show you the full renovation of the house, and we're going to start filming proper videos again from now. So peace out.